Hey, what's up? It's Genetics. I got a pretty decent video today. Let's get into this. Got a few dinosaurs around. I'll scoop them up. And then I'm going to open up some incubators for you guys. I really want to figure out what's inside this velociraptor, well, it's not the velociraptor, it's a raptor incubator. Wow, apparently it's hard to aim while I'm talking, but whatever. These are just common stuff. Too concerned about their DNA. I get them all the time. But, you know, it is nice to make direct hits. Okay. One more to go. Come on, baby, come on. Oh, yeah. You love the soulless. Probably gonna upgrade this guy pretty soon. Maybe today, maybe not. I don't know. It really depends on how my team. Now, if I need some defense, then yeah. Possibly I do. I mean, maybe that's a big issue with my team. Need more defense. So, yeah, let's go ahead and collect these. Velociraptor, yeah. That's what I'm talking about, man. I wanted the velociraptor. Okay. And so here's what we have in the shop. That's what I was referring to, the raptor incubator. How many buy 3 of them if they're not good? I mean, we'll see. More Jurrasaurs. They're about the same, so I'll say I'll only open up 2. Not bad though. Okay, I told you guys last video I was gonna find them and I found it. Post time to dawn. Yes. Look at that, and I can upgrade him. So cool. Look at him. He's so happy. He is glad that I unlocked him. I just need the other guy. I suppose it is what it is. See what Delta. Oh, Delta's a rare. Okay. Cool. And Echo. Wow, looks like I got a ton of Echo DNA. Jeez. This guy. You know what? Why not? I mean, I'll just save it up for a different time. I like the raptors. Let's go for it. So, oh, I got Charlie that time. Not expecting it. Should be somewhere at the top of my collection. Yeah. Okay. So it's got slowing impact, strike. Echo's really not that great. Oh well. Let's see what post-time Tridon is. Okay. Wow. I think I'm gonna use him. I'm gonna use. Yep. Okay. Swap that out. Alright. And let's see about the Lopsaurus, man. How far of an upgrade did I get him? Seriously. Oh, he might be good enough to be on the team now, guys. Yes. He is. Yeah. Okay, let me check out his attacks again. Okay, so he's... I know he will probably be best to replace Triceratops. So... Just by looking at the attacks. So... Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do that. We're going to go more of a defensive team this time. Oh, whoops. Okay. Alright, let's see about this. Oh, Stegosaurus. Sweet. I was hunting him down specifically today. Wow, that's my first level 16. That's cool. Okay. And Dimetrodon, I mean, I just like him because it's that effect. I mean, he's not that great, but I really don't see any. See, Echo's health isn't that high, and just post-time Tron, although he may not be the highest, I mean, I just like, you know, he is actually a good replacement for Dimetrodon, but I don't know. My team needs a little bit more work, I think, before I get to the 2,500 trophy range. But let's see how we can do in these battles. Let's go right into it. So I'm thinking in the 2,500 range, you need around level 15s on all of them. I mean, we'll see. I got a pretty good hand this time. We're going with his Elosaurus. Okay. Oh, let's knock this guy out. And wreaking havoc. Nice job. Nice job, Velociraptor. Jurrassic Come on, go for it. Yes. That's fine. Fine. Okay. Don't let me down, Tyrannosaurus. Come on, buddy. He's not that hard. So he's going for the short defense. That's okay. That is quite alright. Okay. Oh, come on. Yes. Oh, I did not know if that was going to work. But it did. Alright. Gotta be prepared for this guy. Try to. Oh, no. He got me. I should have gone for the swap. Stun him. Yes. No! Yes! Maybe. Wow. What? How did that happen? That glitched in my favor somehow. Alright, now T-Rex can just knock him out with one. Yes! Oh, yeah! Wow! That was amazing. Loving it. Oh, man. Oh, buddy. Okay. Let's go. Straight into another match. Oh, my gosh. How lucky was that? Okay. Well, I'm gonna go straight out with the Dimetrodon. Because, man, I got a ton of defense. Okay, well, so Dimetrodon is going to be taken out. But that's alright. It's okay. Alright. Okay. Let's go for it. Stegosaurus. Oh man, you got a ton of meat on you. Just knock him down. You got all the meat. Just... Yes, take him out. Oh, buddy, Stegosaurus. Thank you so much. Now, Thagomize him. Don't let him kill you. No! I felt that one. Okay, you Dilophosaurus. Don't let me down, buddy. Jeez, how many pounces can you do in a row? Wow. I have to swallow. I can't stand this. Jeez. Oh my gosh, it still didn't kill him? We are getting murdered, folks. Murdered. Alright. We're dead. So, might as well go out with the best chance that we have. Oh, let's get one more attack in. Awesome. Jeez. Up and down in trophies, man. I don't know what it will take to get to 2,500. It seems like there's just this level of chance, because you can't set your own team and it's all random. That level of chance is not my favorite at the moment. Come on, knock him out. Yeah. Oh, and he has a raptor too. Boy, oh boy. What am I going to do about this? I'm just gonna let him take out somebody else. I mean, hopefully Dilophosaurus can take that pound. He's not going to really be able to do very much as far as attack-wise. Yeah, see after that, send insects were off. Okay, that's cool. Jeez. Come on. We need the win. We need the win. Yeah, buddy? Jeez. Gotta give it my all. Come on. Let's go. Yes! Yeah! That is a win. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What kind of incubator is that? Is that a 12-hour? Nice, it is. Yes. Oh, man, pump. Okay, tomorrow's video will be a 12-hour incubator opening and the 8-hour, plus, of course, a 3-hour, and this next one. Yes. Baby, we are on a roll. That's what's up. What's this loading screen? Do not recall seeing that before. Loving it. Okay. Ooh, interesting. Okay, we gotta take this T-Rex out, man. God, it's so powerful. Wow. Level 16 raptor? Dang. Okay, to get to 2,500, I'm gonna need probably level 20. Jeez. Competition's getting tough. I mean, I don't have anything to beat this guy, so... Well, we'll test out Poseidon. It's not gonna matter. It's... He just killed me with his talent. So. Yay, I died. Yay. He's going to annihilate my whole team. There's nothing, I mean, I can't kill him. Yay! Killing my whole team. Yay! This guy doesn't die. What's there to think about, man? Just do. You're gonna really swap? Really irritates me. up to Diamond Con, and this guy's gonna beat me. See? He beat me. That's okay. That's alright. I don't care if he beats me right now. We'll just beat a different person. Alright, come on, buddy. I know you're gonna die, but it's okay. It was a good death. Jeez. Yes, I got him on one of the pounces. Set up my lawn protection. Oh boy. Yes! Oh yeah! See that strategy? Nice! We killed the hammer. Alright, cool. Well guys, that's it for the video today, man. I liked it. That was fun. Jeez. Can you believe that? Well, that's the team for today. That was a lot of fun. Come back next time. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know how I do. Let me know what I should do.